Hi everyone, in this video we're just gonna do a number of cleanups. Alright, so the first cleanup we're gonna do is that if you look at the bottom of this screen on Udemy, this is Udemy's site, you will see that this guy here is small and is lapping to the extreme, and there's a big wide space here. So we're gonna, if you look at ours instead, let me refresh this. This is ours. If we look down, you see that ours is huge. So we need to reduce it to half the size and make sure it stays at the extreme. So let's look for it. It's English. The English. Look at it here. So this is the form that is inside a column. So we're just gonna make the form element. We're gonna give it col 6. Col 6 means it should take 6. So, but generally, if you do col 6, that means it's doing for all. All right. So, but in subsequent topics, we can make it half for specific screens. So with col 6, if we look at it now, refresh down here, we'll see that it has reduced to half the size. But nevertheless, we still need it to move to the right. So we will need to push it to the right. So to push it to the right, you do float right, and you refresh, and it's there. Alright, so the next thing we need to take care of is if we look at this Jumbotron, you can't see it, but I can. Look at this extreme. If you observe and you see that these extremes are curved, look at the extreme here. It's curved. It's not lapping to the body. It should be straight, not curved. So we're gonna go look for it. I'm gonna call it Jumbotron. Search for Jumbotron. So to search, you do Ctrl F, Jumbotron, and this is it. We want to make it to have container fluid so that it will stretch. Let's see whether that will work. Yep. That was a little mistake. It's not supposed to be container fluid. It's supposed to be Jumbotron fluid. It's still curved. So instead of container wood, we should have done Jumbotron fluid. Jumbotron fluid. I hope I spelled it correctly. Then we'll reload. And of course, it now makes sense. Everything is lapped. The corners are now straightened out. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we are going to go get this Udemy logo from Udemy site. If we go to Udemy site, we're going to have to take their logo and insert it at the top here, then at the bottom here. Alright, see you in the next video.